The Sensational Empire 100% human hair bulk is a really great product, and we've unboxed it before on this channel in the deep bulk pattern. Today we're going to look at the water wave bulk. We're actually going to look at it in a few different colors, and the first one that we have is the color 1. So the water wave bulk comes in these bundles of hair that are really easy to separate during install, and it has that classic water wave bounce. We've also got the same hair here in the color 2, which is more of a deep brown color. And this is the color 1B. I also thought it would be useful to do a bit of a comparison between the Empire Water Wave bulk and the Empire Deep bulk. So if you'd like boho braids that have a lot more curls, go for the water wave, and if you'd like more of a wavy pattern, go for the deep bulk.